All right, guys, we're making chili garlic shrimp on the Blackstone coming up. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today, like I said, we're gonna make some chili garlic shrimp on the Blackstone. Now, this is in collaboration with another fellow YouTuber, Pickles BBQ. He reached out to me. We started chatting about what we could do. And we could do steaks, we could do, ribs, but everything's already been done. So we thought about it. You know what? He has his wife, Heather. I have my love, Melise. So we are going to make our lady's favorite dishes tonight. So my lady's favorite dish is the chili garlic shrimp. All right, and it gave me a chance to use the Blackstone again. I'm excited to use it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bring you over to the Blackstone, get off this beautifulness right here, get on that beautifulness right there, and we're gonna do the shrimp. I'm gonna make a dipping sauce on the side, which is butter, honey, chilies, garlic. It's gonna be awesome, all right? Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We got our butter working in back. We're gonna add our chili and garlic mixture to it. We get some butter on here. And we got a little roasted garlic oil. Regular olive oil can work too. So we want to meld all those flavors. We're gonna get this working around a little bit. We're gonna get half our chili and half our garlic working in here. And the other half is gonna go into the butter. Should have brought a spoon out. Woo! That's why I'm wearing an apron today, guys. This thing likes to splatter. All right, we're gonna doctor up this sauce a little bit more. A little of this Kirby's homemade seasoning powder, seasoning salt. Little cracked black. Actually, a lot of cracked black. My lady loves cracked black. Pepper. I'm not gonna add the salt to it. Add a little lemon to it. A little bit of honey. All right. It's not a lot. It's sweet, it's savory, it's yummy. This should go pretty darn quick. All right, let's get these shrimp on. Now these are already deveined and cut down, but there are peel and eat. I like the peel and eat. I like the shells on there. I think it makes for better presentation, it makes for better flavor. And we're just gonna work this in the background here. Whoop. You can spill a little bit, no big deal. It's all good flavors. We're gonna cook them up on each side, probably about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side. Flip them, do the dang thing, and we'll be ready to go. So come on back. These are already been flipped over. Gonna add a little more lemon juice to it. Mix up in the flavors. Look at all the flavors on here. All right. Ooh, that's a little warm. Gonna mix up the butter a little bit so we have something to dip it in. Get it going good. All right, almost done, and we'll get ready to plate this bad boy. Come on back. All right, guys, these are all done. We're gonna plate them up. Make it a little pretty for the ladies. We got the little heart ramekin for our dipping sauce. Got some extra chilies to put on top. I don't know about you guys, but that looks pretty darn all right, guys. To recap our ingredients, we have some minced garlic and minced Fresno red chilies, some honey, some of Kirby's Fish and Grill's homemade seasoning salt, all purpose, a couple sticks of butter, a little roasted garlic oil. You can use regular olive oil if you want, half of a lemon, and 2 pounds of 1620 shrimp with some cracked black and a little Himalayan pink salt. All right, guys, we're gonna take this inside, have the taste test. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We're doing the taste test. Miss CJ didn't want to be on camera today, ever. So she's trying it right now. Is it your favorite? Do you like it? Do you love it?
It's my favorite.
It's your favorite?
I love it.
Is it awesome?
I just want to know why I didn't get the heart bowl. You got it.
Well, it was for the thumbnail. Hello. All right, I'm gonna try it now. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. This was real easy to do. The ingredients are real simple as pie. check out Pickles BBQ. His link's down below. I'm sure he made something nice for his wife, Heather. I know Pickles' actual name is Charlie. He's a good dude. I can't wait to see what he came up with. I can't wait to see what Heather's favorite dish is. Make sure you stop by. Like I said, the link's below. Tell him I said hi. Tell him I sent you. And that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. She's obviously enjoying it over here. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.